Hello, second graders. This is Miss Delania bringing you your reading class for this week. This week we will be reading The Amazing Animals that begin on page 50. But before we get started, let's do a little puzzle. Look at the picture. I want you to find 6 hidden words. The words are page, read, book, story, novel, and words. Pause the video and see if you can find them. Did you find the words? Let's see where they are. There you have them. Words is in the tree. Page is on the boy's clothes. Story is on the lady. Book and novel are on the man. And read is on the dog and the girl. Now let's get to our class. Listen carefully to the story. Follow along with your finger. The Amazing Animals. Mr. Owl was talking to the other forest animals about different animals that live around the world. May I begin today's lesson by telling you all animals have families? Asked Mr. Owl. Let's begin with the cat family. First, there is the lion, called the king of the jungle. He is huge and strong with sharp claws and a bushy mane. Another large cat is the tiger, a terrible hunter. There are 3 very fast runners in the cat family. They are the panther, the leopard, and the cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest one of all, said the wise Mr. Owl. Now some questions to see if you are understanding the story. Number 1. Who were Mr. Owl's students? Mr. Owl was talking to the other forest animals. Number 2. What is he teaching them? About different animals that live around the world. Number 3. What animal family was Mr. Owl teaching about? About the cat family. Turn the page. Mr. Bunny interrupted Mr. Owl with a question. What about Sylvester the cat? Does he belong in that same cat family? Of course, said Mr. Owl. Sylvester is the kind of cat people have for pets and is the smallest cat in the family. Mr. Owl asked if everyone had a question. He really wanted to teach his friends about the dog family. Shall we learn more? He asked. All the forest animals listening asked Mr. Owl to tell more. Mr. Owl hooted and then began teaching about the dog family. People have dogs in their homes for pets. Dogs are good friends and great protection. They guard their owners very well. Some dogs are also used to help people see and hear. Well, continued the owl, there are wild dogs in the dog family. The jackal, the coyote, the wolf, and the fox. They do not usually live near people. Now some questions. What other animal family did Mr. Owl teach about next? He began teaching about the dog family. Turn the page. Suddenly, the squirrels rushed to Mr. Owl. Hey, how about the human family? Can you teach us about the human family, Mr. Owl? Mr. Owl looked a little sad and a bit confused. He had thought about the human family many times. What could he teach them about the human family? While the animals waited and watched Mr. Owl thinking, a sparrow flew in and landed on the back of a deer. Can you tell us what the humans know about animals? Chirped the sparrow. Okay, said Mr. Owl, but I don't know very much. I must also tell you I do not understand them very well. Now, some questions. What other family did the animals want to learn about? They wanted to learn about the human family. Did Mr. Owl know a lot about humans? No, he didn't know very much, and he didn't understand them very well. Turn the page. Mr. Owl began saying, some humans protect animals and give them shelters or houses. They even give them food and water to help animals survive in some places. They act like they love and care a lot about animals, but, the owl hooted, this is what I don't understand. The people are disturbing our homes and polluting the water and plants, which are both our food and theirs. There are even some humans who hunt and kill animals. I just do not understand, cried Mr. Owl. Then the deer spoke. Some of my animal friends have died, and their families will never live again. This makes me sad. How can we all learn to live together? Mr. Owl screeched loudly. I know we can learn to live together like one big family, humans and animals. The end. Now some questions. What did Mr. Owl understand about humans? He understood that some humans protect animals and give them shelters or houses. They even give them food and water to help animals survive in some places. The second question. Why was the deer sad? Because some of his animal friends have died and their families will never live again. Number 3. What did Mr. Owl say at the end? I know we can learn to live together like one big family, humans and animals. Now, to check your understanding, we turn to page 54. On page 54, the instruction says, read the following incomplete sentences. Circle the best answer to complete them. Number 1. The main topics of Mr. Owl's lessons are letter A, animals and humans, B, insects and humans, C, aliens and humans. We have to circle the best answer to complete sentence number 1. That would be letter A, aliens and humans. Number 2. Mr. Owl was telling the forest animals about other animals that, letter A, live in the ocean, letter B, live around the world, letter C, live in zoos. We have to circle the best answer to complete number 2, and that would be letter B, live around the world. Number 3. The first animal family that Mr. Owl talked about was the letter A, cat family, letter B, dog family. Letter C, bird family. Let's choose the best answer for number 3. That will be letter A, cat family. Number 4, lions, tigers, panthers, leopards, and cheetahs belong to the letter A, hunter family, letter B, cat family, letter C, dog family. We have to choose the best answer to complete number 4. And that would be letter B, the cat family. Now you have to complete the rest of the page on your own. Now page 55 you will do on your own also. The instruction says, draw a picture of each of the animal families that Mr. Owl talked about in his lesson. Write their names on the lines. So you draw a picture of each one of the families. The cat family, the dog family, and the human family. And then you write the names on the lines below. Don't forget, complete page 54 and complete the top part of page number 55. Take a picture and send it to me to my WhatsApp. I hope you enjoyed our class. I enjoyed making it for you. See you in our next class where we will be learning about conjunctions. Bye.